guys, so today we are back at this pond. I was actually here the day before yesterday, or no, yesterday. I was here yesterday, and I was fishing for big bass. I lost 2 giants, but I'm back for hopefully some redemption. Today I'm going to try and catch a bass over 3 pounds. That's the goal. There's some giant fish in here. I've caught my PB out of here. I've caught a 5-pounder out of here a few weeks ago. You guys probably saw that video, but yeah, today we're trying to catch a giant fish, and I'm a little bit late again today. It's like 6:15, so I'm going to try and just cut straight to the action and hopefully catch a giant. So yeah, stick with and stay tuned. Oh, did he not just eat it? Yeah, he's got it. He hit it. Yeah, he's got it. Fish on. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. There we go. Stay on. I knew he ate it. Nope, don't go over there. Don't go over there. Not a bad one. Come here. Come here. There we go. There we go. Look at that. A little bit of a mild gut hook there. That's probably a 2-pounder, 2.5 pounder, I'd say. She's long, but she's skinny. He ate that worm. All right. We might have to do some surgery here, guys. But first fish of the day, nonetheless. Nice old chunk, long, skinny guy. First fish of the day, guys. 230 or whatever it was. She's skinny, but she's very long. Probably 17-inch fish, I'd say. Just over 2 pounds, not a bad fish. Beautiful fish again. These summer bass are kind of starting to come in already. It feels like summer. It's 80 degrees today, so yeah. Beautiful fish. Let's get them back in the water. All right, buddy. I'll catch you later. Thanks for the fight. Thanks for the catch. I will see you later. You're free. Oh, wow. There he goes.
That was like a 3-foot snake over here. Be careful.
Was it really?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Gotta watch out for them snakes, guys. It's snake season, so always watch your step. I've made it a good practice of mine where every time I go fishing, I'm always looking at my feet when I walk. And I'm being very cautious of where I'm walking, making sure not to step on any snakes, because yeah, that could be trouble. Ooh, might have been a little hit right there. But yeah, whenever you're fishing during snake season, especially during the south, especially in the south, always be careful. I had a few bad snake encounters a few years ago. Almost got bit. Luckily, I've got ninja-like reflexes. I remember there was a black water moccasin, and he was all coiled up. Don't ask how I didn't see him. It was literally in green grass, and he was black. And I stepped a foot in front of him. Luckily, he didn't strike. And yeah. Pretty scary. It was a giant, freaking giant snake, so. Oh God. Oh God. Ah. Freaking ants all over me. Ah. Little guy. Oh my God. Freaking big ass. Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. Look Is this for real right now? Holy crap. Look at the size of that bluegill. Oh my goodness. Well, my GoPro just died, but oh my god. That is a giant bluegill. Look at how fat he is. Holy crap. I can lip him. Ooh. That's crazy. Bye-bye. Oh, look at that. Right there. Right laying on my bed. Whole box of them. Oh, that was a hit. Why you let go? Something let go of it, but that was a fish. Might throw a bandito bug in there. Got one? Hell yeah. Let me head over there.
So I fished under that tree, and my line was over a branch, and I saw my line run. So we stepped the hook.
I had a bite over there, but he didn't eat it. He didn't commit over there. I had a bite.
Oh, okay.
That's a fish. Oh. Dude. Twice. I think it's a... Oh, I got him. There we go. There. No! God damn it, that was like a 2-pounder. Dude, he bit it like 3 times. Yo, I need help. I think it was a bed, yeah. Because he was just biting it in the same spot.
I've never ever seen a fish jump that high in my life.
Ah.
It literally jumped like 3 feet in the water.
I need help with knowing where the hell my line is.
Dude.
Tangled myself.
Alright.
Just untangle me.
Good.
Am I good?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that my sinker?
Yep.
Alright, well, Buddy just lost one. I just caught one. We're starting to get bites, so hopefully we catch a few more. Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, he ate it, bro. He totally ate it.
Is he just circling?
No, he's stuck to the bed. I'm not kidding.
Yeah. Catch him. Don't spook him.
He definitely ate it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. He's gonna eat.
Ah, come on. That's a thorn bush. A bit trapped here. Ow. Shit. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, okay. Ow. Not good. Not good. Really not good at all. Ow. Son of a bitch. Get off me. Ow. Alright folks, I'm going to record my outro now because, well, obviously it's getting extremely dark. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm going to try and take a few more casts if I can get another one, but yeah, hopefully you enjoyed whatever I got out of it. Going to try and continue my daily uploads again. I know I kind of stopped that, but I'm going to try and continue that back up. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And as always folks, capture moments, create memories. I'll see you in the next video.